Hello. This is a general review of these spray bottle type of sodium hypochlorite makers. As you can see here, this one has developed a crack, and I attempted to repair it with some double-sided tape and a zap strap, but it eventually failed. The crack went further along, and you see those white crystals? That's where the dried sodium hypochlorite, that's what it looks like. So you can see that it has seeped further. And around here on the other side, you can see that it was actually leaking from the base. So it's too bad because these are not cheap. This one here is a different size, different brand, but also started leaking quite a bit. So it's going in the garbage. That's too bad. This idea is good, but they eventually develop leak in a few months. So, as opposed to the spray bottle type, this is a different kind of portable sodium hypochlorite maker, and you just drop it into the salty water. Now, here's what I found with these. These are not expensive. They're only $10 each. They look like they're not worth much, but these are actually quite sophisticated. They have some kind of microprocessor inside there that is waterproof, and I've determined that there's no magnetic material, so there's no stainless steel or other ferric type metals that would that could become what do you call it? The hexavalent chromium. So, however, there's a however. These are USB meters and testers. I'm gonna stop this for a minute. Continuing with these. So, as you can see from the graph, it actually has some smarts. You can see that the voltage and amps on it, voltage and amps, that it's actually it's doing pulsing, and it's changing the voltage. And it's changing amps. So the microprocessor is very sophisticated. Sometimes it has a different pattern. So I have two attached right now. So this one has one pattern, and the other one. However, this one here, this meter does not show a graph, but it shows the voltage and the wattage. So you can see that what I found is that it is quite necessary to have this while using these, because every batch of every bottle that I'm making the hypochlorite starts with a different wattage, and the wattage is what tells me that it's finished. And these lose their effectiveness over time. So I need to look at the wattage to see the wattage drop. It starts off generally at about 5 watts, and once it drops to about 2, the high number is moving. You can see the high number is going down. So once the highest number drops to about 2.5, I consider that cooked. So it's almost done now. But the highest number is like 2.7 watts. So it's almost done. So this is what they look like. Now, there's another caution about these. Okay, these two spray bottles, okay, that are like this, where I'm making hypochlorite, is that the fumes that come off them are actually very destructive to electronics. Yeah, it's in literature. I didn't discover this by myself. So I put a cap on it so that the fumes don't come out. So, and destroy, they destroy USB cords very quickly. And any steel near them will get destroyed. That's in literature. So, that's what I do.